Right. Welcome to the project demonstration of bidirectional visitor counter using Arduino Uno. So here we are going to identify the persons, whether he is entering or exit from the room. That will be identified by the two IR sensors. So whenever the person is entering, so the system will detect the IR sensor 1 and IR sensor 2. So if the system detect the IR sensor 2 first and then 1 for second, then it indicated as a person is going outside. Then the count will be decremented and the outside count will be incremented. So on the LCD we are going to display the in count and out count. Okay, so coming to the IR sensor, in this the white color is a transmitter and the black color is a receiver. Whenever the person is present in front of this IR sensor, the IR sensor rays will be received by the IR receiver. So the transmitter rays will be received by IR receiver and it will be indicated to the microcontroller in digital format, the 0 or 5 volts. Whenever the person is present, controller will get the Arduino Uno will get the 5 volts, and if the person is not present, then 0 volts. Same manner in these two IR sensors, and these potentiometer are used to set the distance to detect the person. So now it is set for 1 feet, so we can decrease the distance also. And coming to this Arduino Uno board, we have interfaced these two IR sensors at 8 and 9 pin and LCD at pin number 2 to pin number 7. And here we are going to distribute the 5 volts power supply to this IR sensors, and from this adapter we are providing 230 volts input to this adapter, and this provides us the 5 volts constant regulated power supply to the Uno board. So let us see the demonstration. So now the in count and out count is 0. So whenever the person is entering, so the in count is incrementing. Okay. So whenever the person is going out, the out count is incrementing and in count is decrementing. Now in count is 0. Means the total number of present inside the room is 0. So now the system showing that how many of persons exit from the room is total number of count is 6, and the how many of persons present inside the room is 1. Right.